Hello, how much money do I need to start swing trading? Well, you need as little as the minimum your brokerage account, your brokerage firm requires as the minimum amount you need to open a brokerage account. If that minimum is enough to purchase one share of a stock in your watch list. So, for instance, when we go to Charles Schwab account, Charles Schwab, to open a brokerage account with them, they say it is a $0 minimum account. So that means you can get in and create your online account with them without pay anything, and later you can transfer. You can link your bank account to it and transfer some money there, and you can start small. Even that $50 you have to transfer there, you transfer it there. But then now that you have your account with them, you look at your watch list of stocks to see a stock that is positioned well for you to buy it now. How much is selling at, if you can afford to buy it. So today we are going to analyze LYV, and we can see how much is selling. So we are going to use maximum daily chart for it. LYV, and LYV right now is selling for $143. But again, can you buy it now? Well, we have our Till Valley line passing by the higher lows of the chart that I like to call the valley line, the valley of the mountain that we like to buy at. The price along that valley line is the price we are comfortable paying for it. The lower price we are comfortable, or the highest price we are comfortable paying for it. So therefore, you want to compare where the price is right now, and today is December 15, 2025. The market has not opened yet. So last time the market opened, the price went up. The price is highlighted in green, the ending day price. So that means the price that day was higher at the end of the day than it was in the morning. We have the price on the y-axis from $0 up, and the date on the x-axis from the past to the present. So our entry point is at the valley line, and our exit point is after the peak. So therefore, you will compare where the price is right now to both ends. And right now is now around the valley line. So therefore, it is not a buy yet. So if you're interested in this stock, for instance, well, then you know that you need to save about $143 to have in the account. By the time it comes down there, you'll be able to buy it. But who knows? In the meantime, there could be some other stocks in your portfolio that will be less than $100 a share and well positioned for you to buy. So that is how much minimum you need to start swing trading. Just start small, one share at a time, to test your strategy against the stocks you are trading, to see if they both are comparable with each other. And once you have that confirmation by making a profit, regardless of the amount, after you pay your brokerage fee, as long as you have a profit, you know that to scale that profit, next time you are going to buy that share, that stock share, you can just buy more of that share using the same strategy, and maybe entering it better in case you enter at a higher price rather than where you prefer to to enter. You learn from the process. So LYV today is now a buy for us based on our long option and swing trading strategy, which consists of buying at the valley line and selling after the peak. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you. very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and NinaSoap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. We organize small group online workshop if you are interested in practicing how you can analyze stocks to determine if a stock is well positioned for you to buy some share during the week, just like the way I analyze it now. If you like to practice it and ask questions, will you please check our online store download.com for the listen and reserve a seat for yourself. The next one is Saturday, December 20th, 2025. For more tips on how you can analyze stocks or create your own watch list, or better yet, this beginner guide swing trading tips that we start a new series for today, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video. Thank you for your time.